Are you ready for a new home to go along with your new carefree lifestyle in retirement? Let's check out the villas at Greenbrook, built by DeLuca Homes, a brand new 55-plus community in Bucks County, Pennsylvania. Living here will give you more free time to connect with family and meet new friends. Starting at only $379,900, take your choice of a convenient flat or a carriage-style house. Imagine entertaining in your brand new kitchen with granite countertops, a Whirlpool appliance package, and all the other modern luxuries and finishes you'd expect in a brand new kitchen. Spend summer days swimming laps in the pool, fall evenings socializing in the clubhouse, or enjoy a game of bocce ball with friends. If you ever get bored of all that Bucks County has to offer, no worries. Living here gives you easy access to major roadways, taking you to nearby beaches, casinos, hiking trails, and winter fun in the Pocono Mountains. Want to go even further? Nearby train stations will take you to Philly or New York City for all the big city fun. Don't you want a low-maintenance lifestyle? Imagine no more weekends spent maintaining an old house that no longer suits your needs. I do not represent DeLuca Homes. They have agents who represent them and they can help you. But if you want a licensed professional representing your best interests, let's discuss a plan to trade in your old house for the brand new home that you deserve. I'm Dawn D'Amico with eXp Realty. If you're searching for a partner and advocate to provide you with the best experience, just call, text, email, or DM me today.